bottom right there, the spindle LRS is off. After you home it out, it kind of drops down from sitting. You have to just hit tool, unload, tool load. Yep. And then it resets the alarm this time.
They reset it? Okay. Tool changer. You run the tool changer. Good.
It shakes a little bit in the Y. We're taking video. That's 11. You shift gears. You're in high gear. That's 3,000, 4,000, 4,500 RPM. This was rebuilt probably 10 years ago.
Sounds pretty good.